stay motivated by setting clear goals and constantly seeking feedback. One piece of advice, I'd say be proactive and ask a lot of questions. The more you immerse yourself and learn from those around you, the quicker you'll find your rhythm and start making an impact on this industry. I'd say driven, supportive, and involved. A memorable experience or highlight that I had when first joining Alidify Partners was we went into a dealership and we ended up getting kicked out of the dealership pretty quickly, which was pretty funny. One project that I'm proud of at Alidify would be our adaptive training. We are the only agency that currently provides it, and we're the best at it. I see it evolving more towards the technology side, the AI, more digital solutions. Fun fact about me that most of my colleagues might not know is that I love to play volleyball. I might not do it often, but it's one of my favorite sports.